Are you recording me again?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah, I'm good. Listen, Stan and his friends just got served. Yeah, was the true right.
I want you to eat the hot pizza rolls that you know that came out of the oven.
Well, I did let them cool down. They were cooling down. I was letting that stupid thing. Oh, what? What do you think this is fun?
Well, you're the bright eye that keeps fucking with it.
You got served by who?
Some kids from Orange County. Let's not make a big deal out of it.
So what'd you do?
Are you still recording me?
No.
What, you got served and stood there and
That was the right thing to do.
No, that's crap, Karen.
Are you still recording me?
Yeah, I'm still recording you.
Dad, I don't know how to stay up for nothing.
Well, it's about time you learn.
Is it hot anymore?
Not when I'm about 8 minutes.
Alright, now dancing is all about
Well, it's like freaking.
Now, I'm not telling you to go around challenging other people.
It's hot then.
When they challenge you, just look them straight in the eyes and give them this.
I'm hot.
She just got served.